Welcome to the channel Language and Literature. Today I want to talk about conjunction in details. So through this lecture I am actually going to give you the conception of conjunction and the way it has been divided and subdivided into various types. So let's start with conjunction. Connects two words, phrases, clauses and sentences together. Conjunction primarily has been divided into two parts: subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction again has been divided into four types, but subordinating conjunction has been divided into many types. So let's start with the coordinating conjunction. So what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction actually is used to connect two clauses of equal ranks. Equal ranks are referred to two independent clauses. That means coordinating conjunctions are actually used in order to connect two independent clauses together. Coordinating conjunctions are not used to connect one subordinate clause and one independent clause. Coordinate conjunctions are especially used to connect both independent clauses. But subordinate conjunction cannot connect both independent clauses together. They connect one dependent clause and one independent clause. This is the difference between subordinate and coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction has been classified into four types: copulative coordinating conjunction, alternative coordinating conjunction, adversative coordinating conjunction, and elative coordinating conjunction. Copulative coordinating conjunction is actually used to give extra information. This is copulative coordinating conjunction. Copulative coordinating conjunction includes and as well as not only but also these are copulative coordinating conjunction. For example, I went to market and bought a pencil. I went to market and I bought a pen. So I went to market, one independent clause, and I bought a pencil, another independent clause. But I just add another information. I went to market. Why did I go to market? I went to market to buy a pencil, and I gave extra information. But alternative coordinating conjunction does not give extra information. We use alternative coordinating conjunction when we are to actually choose one of the two opinions or comments. That is why we use alternative coordinating conjunction. Alternative coordinating conjunction includes either or, neither nor, or nor. These are alternative coordinating conjunction. Neither you nor your friend is responsible for this work. Either you or your friend has done this work. So these two ideas here, and we are to choose one of those two ideas or one of the two comments, and for these things we use either or neither nor, and they are alternative coordinating conjunction. Adversative coordinating conjunctions are used to introduce two opposite ideas together. That is why we use adversative coordinating conjunction. For example, Kamal is a good boy, but he is a chain smoker. He worked hard, however he failed in the exam. So he worked hard, definitely a positive thought, but he failed in the exam. He failed in the exam, another negative thought. So these two thoughts, opposite thoughts and different thoughts have been connected by one conjunctions, and this type of conjunction is called adversative coordinating conjunctions. And finally, we use elative coordinating conjunction in order to establish cause-effect relationship in our sentence. I work hard, so I can expect good result. He does not work hard, thus he cannot expect good result. Thus, so therefore, these are the words we use in order to establish cause-effect relationship in the sentence. But we should keep in mind that elative coordinating conjunction is also one of the coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunction is of four types, and I have discussed about those four types. Four types of copulative coordinating conjunctions, alternative coordinating conjunction, adversative coordinating conjunctions, and elative coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunction is of four types. After coordinating conjunction, we can go to the next one, that is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction again has been subdivided into many parts. Subordinate conjunction of time, subordinate conjunction of cause or reason, subordinate conjunction of purpose, subordinate conjunction of compare, subordinate conjunction of contrast, subordinate conjunction of condition, subordinate conjunction of introductory sense, subordinating conjunction of effect. So you can see there are various types of subordinating conjunction. When we go to talk about subordinate conjunction of time, some words automatically come to our mind. For example, till, until, when, while. These are the words automatically come to our mind when we are going to actually express time. Wait here until I come, or wait here till I finish my lecture. He came to my room when I was writing. I went to field while my friends were playing cricket. So these are the conjunctions we use in order to express time. Then after subordinate conjunction of time, we can go to talk about subordinate of conjunction of clause, because, cause or reason, because, as, since. These are the words we generally use in order to express reason. I could not go to university because I was sick. As I was sick, I could not go to university. So these are the words, or these are the conjunctions we use in order to express reason of something. And then we can talk about subordinate conjunction of purpose, so that, lest. These are the words we consider subordinate conjunction of purpose. I work hard so that I can succeed in life. He works hard so that he can secure a plus in the exam. So work fast lest you should miss the train. These are subordinate conjunction of purpose. Subordinate conjunction of compare, so as as. These are the conjunctions, and these two conjunctions are used in pair, and this type of conjunctions are called actually a correlative conjunction. But correlative conjunctions cannot exist as its own. Some correlative conjunctions are used as subordinating conjunction, and some correlative conjunctions are used as coordinating conjunctions on the basis of their function. So as or as, these two conjunctions are called subordinating conjunction of compare. We use these conjunctions in order to compare, in order to make comparison. For example, no other batsman in the world, or no other all-rounder in the world is as good as Shakib Al Hasan, or no other batsman in the world is as efficient as Virat Kohli currently. So these are the conjunctions we use in order to make comparison. There are some conjunctions which are used in order to make contrast. Though he works hard, he could not make good result. So he made I have made a comparison here. So although subordinate conjunctions of contrast. We have subordinate conjunction of introductory sense. We call subordinate conjunction of introductory sense because here the conjunction is used at the very beginning of the sentence. That is a brilliant student is known to all, and here that has been used at the very beginning of the sentence, and that is why we call it subordinate conjunction of introductory sense. And we have subordinate conjunction of effect, and so ... that. He is so rich that, he is so poor that. These are the expressions we can use through this conjunction. He is so rich that he can buy this beautiful building. He is so poor that he cannot buy a mobile phone. These are the conjunctions we used for subordinate conjunction of what should I say, effect. And then we have subordinate conjunction of manner. Subordinate conjunction of manner include according as. Subordinate conjunction of manner include so, as, as ... so, as you sow, so shall you reap. You will be rewarded as you will work. So we can understand the various types of subordinate conjunction, and various types of coordinating conjunction. And so through this lecture I actually tried to talk about conjunction and its two types, and under those two types I have also talked about various types of coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So through this lecture, I actually try to talk about, or I actually try to give you the conception of conjunction and its two types, and the way these two types have been subdivided into many types. I also try to show you the uses of those various types of conjunctions in sentences. So watch this lecture again and again so that you can understand their uses in the sentence. And after watching this video, you will definitely try to use those conjunctions in your own way in different sentences. That will be really very effective. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.